Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of cluttered spaces and boring walls? Because I sure was, until I discovered the upsimples floating shelves for wall, and let me tell you, it's been a total game changer. These shelves are not just any ordinary shelves, they're equipped with LED lights that give off a soft warm glow, making everything on them look like it's on display in a museum. The wood finish is so smooth to the touch, it's like running your hand over silk, and the sound of the shelves clicking into place is like music to my ears. With these shelves, you get extra storage space, which is perfect for organizing small items like keys, jewelry, or even spices, and the best part is, they're super versatile. You can assemble them into a long shelf or place them individually in every corner of your room. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's just that good. I've been using these shelves for a while now, and I can honestly say, they've made my life so much easier. I can quickly find what I need, and my room looks sleek and modern. The LED lights are especially useful at night. They provide just the right amount of illumination, so I can navigate my room without turning on the main lights. These shelves are perfect for anyone who wants to add some style and functionality to their space, and the best part is, they're really easy to install, so you don't have to be a DIY expert to get them up and running. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to decorate, the upsimples floating shelves for wall are a must-have, so go ahead, give them a try, and see the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.